back for fall. Hey, Press.
Hi. We have a poncho. Because we're gonna get, I think we're gonna go get wet. So yeah, we're gonna be like this and like that. And yeah, we're
Ilan đứng rồi con, Ilan, mommy.
quay thôi. Đứng ở này tí thế này nè. Đứng ở bên đó.
It's so fun. Hi guys. Are you videoing? Welcome back to Jam Fan Fun. So we're at Niagara Falls in Canada right now.
Yeah, if you want to go here, go to Canada.
Yeah. Oh, this is the Canada. We're doing this from Canada, and we're gonna be wearing this poncho on the cruise. So it's really big. It's like if you were in a bag. Yeah. So I got my hat and my hood. Boom. That's how you make sure that your skin doesn't get sunburned or tan. No one wants that. No one wants to go to school with a tan on their face. So, Sammy.